In this video, you'll learn exactly how to make your wallpaper stop looking blurry like this and start looking like this. Please subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can instantly have a clear wallpaper. So first, go to Google and type in whatever wallpaper you want. For me, it's a Lamborghini. So you're going to want to go to images. I want this image, so I'll click on that. So after you select the image you want, click on the writing, which will redirect you to a website. And then on that website, you should find an image of what you want, of what you search for. Then you're gonna want to save image as, rename it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it Lambo. Okay. So then you're gonna want to change it to the file you just had, Lambo. And now it's high quality. It's clear. There's no blurriness on it. And that's it. Please subscribe to my channel.